An aqueous solution of 2% non-volatile solute exert a pressure of 1.004 bar at the normal boiling point of the solvent. What is the molar mass of the solute? Before analyzing the question, we can write the given values. See, question says that an aqueous solution means what? Solvent is water. Of 2% non-volatile solute. What is the meaning of that? An aqueous solution of 2% non-volatile solute means what? It means 2 gram of solute is present in 100 gram of solution. Right? Okay, so we got what? Mass of the solute. What is that? 2 gram. Now what is the mass of the solvent? That is water. It is mass of the solution minus mass of the solute. What is that? 98 gram. In the question, vapor pressure of the solution is given. What is that? 1.004. Right? Vapor pressure of the solution is 1.004 bar. And vapor pressure of the solvent. What is solvent? Water. We already know. You have to by heart the vapor pressure of pure solvent water. What is that? 1.013 bar. Okay, by heart this value. Now see, check. You know the vapor pressure of the solution. You know the vapor pressure of the solvent. Right? See, when you add a non-volatile solute to a solvent, vapor pressure decreases. And you know the vapor pressure of both solute and solvent, then no doubt it is a question of relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure. What is the equation? PA standard minus PA by PA standard is equal to chi B. See, this is relative lowering of vapor pressure, okay? And that is equal to chi B. Now, what is chi B? Chi B is equal to, mole fraction is equal to, mole fraction of solute is equal to what? Number of moles of solute by total number of moles. Now, Na, number of moles of solvent will be definitely very much greater than number of moles of solute in normal cases. So, for mathematical easiness, we will be ignoring the number of moles of solute in the denominator. So chi B is equal to what? NB by Na. Now what is NB and Na? NB is number of moles of solute and that is equal to what? Mass of solute by molar mass of solute. Na is number of moles of solvent and what is that? Mass of solvent by molar mass of solvent. See what we are supposed to find in the question, molar mass of the solute. You can see that right here, MP, molar mass of solute. Okay, now you already know what is chi B, right? Chi B is equal to NB by Na and now we know what is NB and Na. Coming back to this equation, this is our standard equation here, okay? PA standard minus PA by PA standard is equal to what? It is equal to chi B, right? And what is chi B? Chi B is NB by Na. And what is NB by Na? NB means WB by MB. Okay, NB by Na, right? Now what is Na? Na is WA by MA. Now it is just a matter of substitution. Okay, what is PA standard? 1.013. What is PA value? 1.004 by PA standard is what? 1.013 is equal to WB is what? 2 gram, right? Into MA is what? Ma is molar mass of water. Water is H2O. H2O means 1 into 2. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1, right? 2 hydrogen is there. Plus 1 oxygen, 16. So total is 18, right? 18 by MB. That is what we have to find. WA is what? WA is 98. Now See, you can cross multiply, rearrange it and find the final answer. So on calculating, you will be getting what? 0.009 by 1.013 is equal to 36 by MB into 98. Okay, so what is MB? MB is equal to 36 into 1.013 by 98 into 0.009. On calculating, you will be getting like 41.35 gram per mole. So what is the mass, molar mass of solute? Molar mass of solute is 41.35 gram per mole.